In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new member to your family group on Gmail. Whether you're setting things up for a new child in the house, or you just want another grown-up to share your Google services with, I'll guide you through the simple steps to get it done. Before we dive in, make sure you have a working Google account and your family group setup is already in place. We'll cover everything you need to know to add a new member to your family group seamlessly. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Google Families page. You can easily find this by typing Google Family Group into the search bar and clicking on the official link. Once you're there, you'll want to make sure you're logged into the Google account that manages your existing family group. This particular account will be the one with all the controls, so keep it handy. Once you've logged in, you should see a menu with several options related to your family group. You'll want to navigate to the Manage Family Members section. This is where all your family management magic happens. Look for an option that lets you add new members. It's usually labeled something like Add Family Member or Invite Family Member. Google tends to keep it pretty straightforward. You'll need the email address of the person you want to add to your family group. Type in their email address in the space provided, then hit Send. What happens next is Google sends an invitation to that email address you've entered. The person receiving the invitation will just need to check their email inbox, find the invitation, and accept it. It's as easy as clicking the Join Family link in the email. Once they accept, they'll officially become part of your family group. Now, here's an important tip. The person you're inviting can't be part of another family group already. If they are, they'll need to leave that group first. This is a common hiccup you might face, so it's worth mentioning up front. Once they've accepted, you have the flexibility to manage their settings within the family group. You can control what services you share with them just by clicking on their name in your family list. You might want to share specific Google services such as Google Play, YouTube Premium, or Google One, depending on what you've set up. I hope this guide has been helpful for setting up your family group efficiently. It's always a good thing to have your family on board. Makes life that much easier. If you run into any problems along the way, Google's support page is a great resource for troubleshooting and additional help. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.